Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we're going to talk about a Glam Bag X product that I got from my May Glam Bag X, and that is the Rodial Pink Diamond. This is the Cleansing Balm Lift and Illuminate. Okay, if you got this down below, let me know. I think a lot of people got it. You can refer to my previous videos about the Glam Bag X. The Khloe Kardashian one, that was interesting. But yeah, so this is something I got. I wasn't going to try it, I was going to wait, but my Confidence in a Cleanser by It Cosmetics, this is almost out, so I was looking for a replacement to put in my Potion Project pan. And I was going to use this, and now I don't know if I'm going to do that. This, okay. Look at the packaging, you can kind of see, I had to go like this. To squeeze this out at first, and then I kind of looked online, looked to see what other people, if they had the same issue, because this was so hard to squeeze out. Oh my god, it was so hard to squeeze out, and I don't think they should have put it in this packaging. Now I will say some other people said just warm it up, squeeze it around, and it'll get better. And now I will say, after being in the shower, it was much easier to squeeze out. I think you kind of need to do this with a double cleansing, so like do this to get your makeup off and then do, you know, another cleanser like that It Cosmetics cleanser or something similar to wipe the residue off, because like this leaves my face kind of oily, so I'm not really a fan of that. So yeah, I might just use this for when I have like a lot of makeup, like full face of makeup to melt off. But yeah, it's so weird. So anyways, boop that like button for me. Also let me know down below if you got this, if you had the same issue. I did see other people had the same issue, so I'm not alone, at least on Reddit. And some people actually said they complained to Ipsy, and Ipsy did refund them a little bit of money because of that fact. So I actually emailed Ipsy just to tell them about it. I don't know if they're going to refund me. I really don't care. I already paid for the box, so whatever. I mean, my complaints were much more vast for that box anyways. But yes. Rodial Pink Diamond, weird product, probably should have been in like a tub, like a hair mask type tub type deal, where it just takes